Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to JASMY video update for Monday 5th of September. It's been a while we haven't talked about JASMY, so let's do this. Quick recap here. You had these 3 black rows, 3 red candles back to back, made that bull flag right there, and then from this bull flag all we're looking at is to take this from there to there, and we're looking to actually still drop down for JASMY all the way down to 7,238. So discounts are still coming, okay, and this is nonetheless a downtrend going on because all you did is went to the downside, you're moving sideways, you again went to the downside like this, you're moving sideways like that. So downtrend goes in waveform. You can still come down and move sideways, go down, move sideways until you don't really reach the target. These are the ways you can actually go down. You can still crash down, that's still a possibility, or you can just go slowly, slowly like this, making people that, oh, it's very, very bullish, because we like to see the 15 minutes time frame and the 4-hour time frame and ignoring the daily and the higher time frames. But if you're a scalper, you could have been trading all these setups down here. Just want to dive into the 4-hour time frame and see if there was anything good about JASMY at the moment. So yeah, so here we go. It's just sideways consolidation movement at this point of time, and yeah, my take still remains that we're still looking for JASMY to go down. This is like some resistance that has been met right there. So you've tried to break it out several times, got rejected, break it out here again, rejected here, went down, came here, try to break it out, rejection once again. And if you look at it, there's a mini loss of support as well. So if you look at it this way, just like that, if you actually start to lose support again, and there are good chances that you're looking for JASMY to start dropping from here, go to 8,441, and then from there go to the technical target of 7,300 something. And that's pretty much it for this quick update on JASMY. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.